Hello, mga ka-mindset. How are you? Why is entrepreneurship often compared to being changeable or being bipolar? It's like a weather na ngayon ulan, maya-maya mainit, maya-maya ulan. So, I think it's because of the constant change and shifting mindset. Kaya kung naguluhan ka minsan kung bakit ang negosyante ay pabago-bago ang isip, well, masasagot natin ngayon kung bakit. Kaya panoorin mo tong video na to. Sa hindi nga pala nakakilala sa akin, ako si Rosalie Dagsa, isang entrepreneur and content creator. And I have a story. Nung una, I used to be frustrated by frequent changes of mind. Ayoko kasi kung gusto ko kung ano na yung decision ko, yun na. Hindi na yun mababago. Kasi para sa akin, pag nababago yung isip mo or yung decision mo, wala kang panindigan. Kailangan fix, firm. But guys, in business, hindi yan pwede. I believe that constant change kasi before was a headache. Ang sakit ng ulo. Kailangan kung ano na yung daily routine yun na. Hindi pwede magbago. But you know guys, after the evaluation of this, it hindered my growth, and you know what is the result? Bankruptcy. And even I saw lower salaries for my employees and feel stagnant. So for this realization, ang dami kong natutunan, and I really have solutions for this problem, and at every problem it's a business opportunity. So from this I executed a new business. The realization led to the creation of Human Edumentor Human Resource Services. So it's a franchise from India, and okay naman. I really started. So these services address to understand these issues. Okay, so as an entrepreneur kasi I realize and I've learned that I always adapt and change. Why? Because of your number one customer feedback. So in every reklamo ng customer, you have to adjust of course, and in every feedback or every suggestion nila kailangan mong makikinig to satisfy their demands. It's a customer satisfaction. Number two, changes in environment. Kasi sa bawat uso or market trends, kailangan nating i-adjust. And number three, strategies. In every strategies, kailangan maging innovative tayo, and kailangan i-revise until matutunan natin kung ano ang effective niya. And the last one is the healthy competition. So in every competition, kailangan healthy. Bawat competitors, we have to embrace that they are our friends. Kailangan hindi mo sila maging kalaban. How? Kailangan hindi mo sila gayahin. You have to be unique and to be creative. Mamamatay yung business mo kung gaya-gaya putumaya. Okay? So, if you're an entrepreneur, always be flexible. Yan ang masasabi ko, flexible. And if you are a good employee, you know how to be flexible ka rin. Ang amo at ang employee ay parang kambal yan. Kung magaling si amo, magaling din si employee. Yan ang masasabi ko. Embrace change as part of your growth journey. Magaling na negosyante si amo if they know how to embrace change. At magaling din na empleyado if you know how to embrace change as part of your journey. Domino effect yan. So as I mentioned, we offer human resource services. If you need HR services and consultancy, just message us. And if you are an aspiring employee or gusto mong maging magaling na empleyado or naghanap ka ng trabaho, just message me and I can really help you. So This is your Rosely Dagsa, your CEO, empowering minds, transforming lives. Bye for now.